Face fitness, 10 minutes to reshape your face. Some stretching in the mirror every morning wakes expression as rejuvenated. The least of our worries and yet primarily responsible for our appearance and aging. There are several dozens of muscles stuck under the skin of the face, at the slightest touch, affect our expression. Some of the most frequently asked by repetitive facial expressions: a frown requires twice as much muscular effort that smile, eventually contracted to remain at rest, causing the famous expression lines that come dig the front bitterness or mark the outline of the mouth. Find the tone facial. Did you know that acupuncture also has anti-aging? More in this section. Fight against wrinkles with acupuncture. Gradually reactivating these muscles in the right direction, it is possible to rebalance their mobility and redraw his face. Ensures stimulation of blood circulation to these places and the recovery of facial tone revive the radiance of the face. Naturally, there is the smile, the eyes of our youth. It revives its image, becomes itself. At what age to start facial gymnastics? From 20 years to repel several years the appearance of first wrinkles. Very elastic, young muscles are less prone to injury and they will greatly benefit from these exercises daily. From 30s, when the muscles begin to melt. Also 40, 50, 60. For a thorough remodeling, it takes a few months. But in the early days of practice, we feel a real relaxation. In the medium term, the face invigorates, the expression works as rejuvenated. And it lasts? Facial gymnastics is the face that the gymnastic body is the body, a progressive work on the silhouette of the face, and his tone curve, so its appearance. Some exercises. To carry out effectively the exercises on the following pages, go to a mirror to visualize the movements and not accentuate wrinkles. Back straight, breathe calmly and slowly working. Stop if you feel pain. Repeat the exercise 5 times. Observe the result after each of them. We progress every day. Tone the neck facing the ceiling, open and close the mouth, shoulders back, lift the chin up to the neck, tension without bending the neck and keeping the back straight. Face turned to the ceiling. In this position, slowly open and close the mouth normally and feeling the tension in the neck. You can put a hand on the collarbone to the base of the neck to collect the work of the muscle. Smooth the forehead, eyebrows up and down. Roll up your hair with your hands and look straight ahead. Slowly lower the eyebrows, but the closer, blink eyes myopic as someone who tries to see off, to help them down. Close your eyes, still holding the top of the forehead remain smooth. Remove your hand and let rise eyebrows, without wrinkling the forehead. Relax the eyes, raise eyebrows. One hand on the head, place your fingers flat on the top of the range front. Slowly raise both eyebrows. Also slowly release. Remove your hand and watch your eyebrows. Their baseline is rising a few millimeters, which has the effect to soften and relax the eyes. Tone the entire face. A great laugh with open your mouth wide and say mentally a then slowly open smile even bigger mouth, while supporting the movement with your hands to avoid wrinkles cheeks.